everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a great week so far. I've just recently returned back from my holidays and didn't actually intend to film anything today, but was having a play around with some makeup, and once I'd actually applied it, thought it looked okay, so thought I'd give it a go. I say I thought it looked okay. I'm hoping that if it doesn't, you will definitely let me know in the comments below, because this is actually the first time in my life I have ever applied liquid foundation myself, and I'm 30 years old. I have worn liquid foundation on a couple of occasions, but someone else has done that for me. I've never actually applied it myself before, so I was a bit daunted by what to do with it. I hope I've applied it right. I don't think it looks too bad. The one I'm actually wearing is the Rimmel Lasting Finish. I think this is the one my friend uses, so recommended it as a good one to start with. And I do find it applied really easy. It does have a bit of a strange scent to it, which I feel like I can still smell it on my face now. So I'm going to have to see how it wears and see if that can... no doubt I'll get used to that scent if it is something that I decide to wear every day, but I do normally wear a powder foundation. So I'd say this was a bit of a daunting prospect to me to apply it all by myself, and I think I've hopefully watched enough YouTube tutorials now to be able to have known how to apply it. I did just use a beauty blender to apply it, to say hopefully I've done an okay job, but please, constructive criticism below is greatly appreciated as to how I've applied it. Anyway, on to today's video, and it is the latest in beauty unboxing for this month. For those who watched my last unboxing video will know that it was a little bit of a short video because I hadn't had a chance to try any of the products contained in that box. I have now tried most of the products, so I did say I'd come back to you with a bit of feedback on those. First of all, the chocolates were lovely, as I knew they would be. They went down a treat. I only actually have a couple of the products here with me today. So I'll go through the ones I don't have with me first, and the first one is the under eye gel patches. I think they were. I've used them and I've just bin the packaging without thinking. It's the first time I've worn under eye patches, so it was a bit of a weird sensation, and I didn't really like the way they sort of sat under my eyes, and I didn't notice any difference. I didn't notice any cooling or depuffing to the skin under my eyes, so I wouldn't be running out to purchase any more of them. They may work with some people, but I don't feel like they worked for me. Two other of the products was the Olay moisturiser and the This Works pillow spray. Both of those I passed to my mum because I knew she'd get better use out of them. For what I've been told, the pillow spray is great, smells really nice, lasts a long while on the pillow, and the moisturiser is great as well. My mum has been a long user of Olay, so has never had an issue with them, so both of those have gone down really well. And one of the other products I don't have here is the cotton pads, and that's just because there was nothing to show you kind of thing, and I have been using them and they are really soft, but not much more than the normal pads that I use really, so I wouldn't justify the extra cost of purchasing them ones. And the two products I do have here is the Maskorea face mask, and as you can see I've not even opened this yet. I just have not had chance. I think it's because it's a 3-step process. I need to set aside time to be able to do all 3 steps kind of thing, so just really haven't had a chance, so can't pass comment on this one yet. The final product was the Moroccan Oil Treatment, and I have used this every time I've washed my hair since receiving it in this box, and I am really enjoying using it. It's what my hairdresser actually uses when I go to the salon, so immediately the smell just reminded me of being in the salon and feeling pampered. I've just been applying it on the ends of my hair, and I do feel like they are feeling softer, so I will continue to use this and may even purchase a full size once this one runs out. But I do actually feel like this sample is probably going to last me quite a while, because I'm using it every time I wash my hair, and I've still only took just the neck of the bottle, and I've probably been using it, bear in mind I wash my hair twice a week, I've probably been using this, is it about 3 weeks now? So 3 or 4 weeks, so I think this will last me quite a while. One last quick tangent before I move on to the latest in beauty unboxing for this month. Before going away, I got my eyebrows waxed and tinted for the first time. I'm all about trying new things at the moment, and was really happy with the effect. This is 2 weeks later after them being tinted, and I think I have a bit of brow gel in them, and that's about it, and it's not even really a dark brow gel that I have in them, so we'll definitely be going to get that done again. I'm intrigued to see how long this is actually going to last before I need to go and get it done again. Enough rambling now, on to the latest in beauty unboxing, and as you can see by the cover of this, it is a slightly different box than usual. This is the Sunday Times Style and Beauty Award beauty box, and the reason I ordered this one was I went on to change the date that my subscription comes out, so it was after payday rather than just before like it used to be, and I was advised I had to cancel the subscription and then resubscribe on the day that I wanted the payment to come out of. So I cancelled it, and then in the meantime got paid and was about to resubscribe, but got an email about this edit. The box I normally get is £15 and this was £25 plus £3.95 delivery, so it is a bit more pricey, but the products inside are higher end, more higher end products than in the normal box that I receive. I have since been back on the website to look at reactivating my current subscription, and to be honest, I don't think I'm going to. They just don't seem to be putting as many new products on the website as they used to, or as different products. It does seem to be a lot of moisturiser and hand creams and things like that, more in the realms of subscriptions gone by that I've cancelled because that was all that I was receiving. So at the moment I'm not going to resubscribe, and I have actually in the last few days subscribed to the Look Fantastic beauty box. This is similar to how Birchbox and Glossybox and things work in that you do receive samples, and if I'm honest, I have actually missed the surprise aspect that I did get with those boxes. So I think this one is £14.50 for 6 samples, so I've signed up to 3 months initially to see what this one's like, as I did when I tried Birchbox again last year, and if it doesn't work out I'll cancel it. I'll readdress whether it's worth going back to Latest in Beauty, having not been subscribed to for 3 months, whether they've got more products in that I've not tried, but it's just a bit of trial and error at the moment. But back to this box. So how this one worked was they had a list of products that have been nominated for the Style and Beauty Award by the Sunday Times this year, and the premise is you pick a selection of 6 products that you want, and then once you've received them and tried them, you go onto the Sunday Times website and vote for your favourites in certain categories. I think you get entered into a prize draw as well for voting, which is good. So I will start with the heaviest thing that I chose from the list, and it is a shampoo and conditioner set, which was actually classed as one item, which I thought was really good because they come hand in hand anyway. And it is the Josh Wood Colour Uplifting shampoo and conditioner for blonde hair prone to frizz. Now I know I only have the bottom of my hair blonde, but still, and my hair is very frizzy, so it kind of ticked all the boxes. And these are 250ml size bottles, which are really good sizes. I have looked into these and I believe these are £10 each in Boots. So bear in mind I've paid £25 for my box, it's already starting to pay for itself. I haven't yet tried these because I still have a shampoo on the go that I've nearly come to the end of, so wanted to finish that first before having a go at these. Next we have the Maybelline Tattoo Brow. This spanned from me wanting to get my eyebrows tinted, and before actually getting this done I'd seen this online and thought it's not as permanent as getting your brows actually tinted in a salon, so thought I'd give it a go, but then obviously got this done. But this might be a cheaper alternative for me needing to get this done every few weeks, so it's worth a try. I went for the shade medium brown, and I think it is a case of the longer you leave it on for, the darker it is maybe, and the longer it actually lasts. So I think the first time I try this I will just leave it on for, I believe it's 20 minutes, which should then last for 1 day, but I won't obviously try it until my tint has pretty much completely worn off so that I can get the full effect of this. I believe this is currently in Boots for £11.99, so again the 2 shampoos and this, the box is effectively paid for. Not too sure how this is going to apply because obviously I have opened it up, really nice packaging, but it has like a nail varnish type. It's not as wide as a nail varnish applicator, but you're gonna have to have a steady hand to apply this, I would say, so I am a bit tempted to possibly pick up a stencil before using this just to make sure to get the right shape, but we shall see how it goes. Next thing is a Nail Berry breathable nail varnish. sorry, not breathable, oxygenated nail varnish. I was really intrigued by that concept as to how it would work, and I did have shellac on my nails for 2 weeks, some normal nail varnish on, forgetting that I had this, so I haven't yet tried it. But this was the colour that I wanted to get the shellac before I went away, but the salon didn't have it, so I ended up with a sort of corally colour. But now I'm itching to kind of get this colour on, because the one I've got is a very wintry colour and we are supposedly now in summer. I've not yet seen it with the weather, but once this comes off I will give this one a go. This is about £7 or £8 in the shops from what I can remember. Next we have this Benefit Bad Gal Lash mascara. This was actually supposed to be the Bad Gal Bang mascara, and one of the reasons I ordered this box, because I know these retail for £10 and I absolutely love this mascara. I love the Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I wanted a replacement for when the one I've got runs out, and I'd said I wasn't going to get a full size, I'd just get the trial size, because for how long it takes me to go through a mascara, a trial size is more than enough and it's usually half the price. So when I opened the box and I seen it was this one, I thought, oh, I've just misread it. It wasn't the Bad Gal Bang, it was the Bad Gal Lash. I was a bit disappointed because I've had this mascara in the past and just didn't like it at all. I'm taking the fact that I've been sent it as a sign that I should try it again, but it was just the sheer size of the brush that put me off. But I will give it another go and see if I still don't like it. But I did actually contact Liptensity Beauty, and their customer services did advise me there was a mix-up, and Benefit sent them a whole bundle of these wrong mascaras. So I think they've just put it in the packages and maybe hope people didn't notice. But they have said that they are expecting a delivery from Benefit of the Bad Gal Bang mascaras and will forward one of those to me when they arrive, and that I could keep this one. So that's even more of a bonus, because once that one arrives I'll have two £10 Benefit mascaras for the price of one, kind of thing. So hopefully the Bad Gal Bang one arrives soon, but I will try this in the meantime and not completely write it off. Another mascara that I ordered was the Max Factor Dark Magic, and I really like the packaging of this one. It is chunky packaging, but it's not heavy, it's really light. And I had seen this in Superdrug a few weeks ago, and the shape of the brush had kind of caught my eye, because it's plastic but it's a strange shape which I haven't tried before. And I think this normally retails for, it's either $11 or $12.99, so I wanted to give this a go, and I don't think I've ever tried a Max Factor mascara, so worth a try. The final product is a MAC Liptensity Lipstick. I haven't actually worn anything from MAC for a long time, apart from the blush that I had, and I think the reason I haven't is because the prices always put me off, because MAC is quite expensive. And from what I have tried in the past, there's always been drugstore alternatives that I've preferred. Now this lipstick I think retails for about £19. So I thought, in the price of this box, the box has already paid for itself. I wasn't technically covering the cost of this, it was worth a try. And it's called Clouds in My Coffee, the shade. And it is a really nice nude colour, and I have actually tried this one very quickly, and it goes on the lips a lot lighter. It looks there, but it is really comfortable, and it was actually quite long lasting. I think I am going to really enjoy using this, and it is going to be a really good day-to-day lipstick to wear because of the shades of it and because it's long lasting and comfortable. I don't know where the Liptensity aspect comes into it. Maybe that's applicable to the darker shades, because this to me is just a normal nude lipstick. But I say it's nearly £20 to pay for, so in a box that, let's just say, was just shy of £30, that was nearly 20, and that was nearly 10. So these two products alone, there's the £30, but I also have on top of that, they're £20, that's 12, that's 12, and that's approximately 8. So I think all in all I've probably got about 80 odd pounds worth of products in there, and even more so when if that Bad Gal Bang mascara arrives, that'll be £90 worth of products for £30. So I think it was definitely a good investment, even if I do end up with a couple of duds in here once I've tried things. So really happy I did order this instead of my usual box, because I think if I'm honest, I would have been disappointed with the normal products that were available to choose for my normal box. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.